What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote batteries in your 2015 Chevrolet Suburban. Alright, so the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to remove the emergency key from the bottom of the remote. On the left side of the key fob there's going to be a button. We're going to push it and pull the key right out from the bottom just like this. Alright, now that we have the emergency key removed, we're going to remove the bottom part of the remote. What I'm going to do with a flathead screwdriver is I'm going to pry right here. Okay, there's a little slot right here. Hopefully you can see that. Put the screwdriver in and I'm going to basically push this cover up and it's going to come right off. Alright, and the remote, the battery is located in the back cover and you can see that it's facing down. So when you get your new battery, that you have it not facing out but facing down. Okay, so the size of the battery is a CR2032 and I'll have a link down in the description box below for some batteries that takes you to Amazon. But again, just put it in here face down, slap it in there and get your remote and just put the case back on. And all we're going to do is just squeeze this thing and it'll click right back together, and then we can put the emergency key right back in and we're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.